Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to open my Ipsy bag. It is really full this month. Do you guys see that? Oh my. So what did I get? Ooh, and it all fit in the pretty bag. It looks like, yes indeed. This is really a cute bag. I really like it. Like the jungle kind of foliage, and then has a peachish Ipsy rubberized zipper pull. Very cute. All right, so it looks like the first thing I pulled out is Urban Therapy Twisted Sista salon inspired hair care from London. It's a curl activator cream. Well, that is great. I will like that. Apply to wet hair from root to tips. Work thoroughly to elongate waves and curls. Well, how nice. Yay, I'm going to try that for sure. You guys may have seen my little Jambo jump over. And here is some hand cure, ultra moisturizing. This looks perfect for my purse. Let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh, it smells good. Yes, it's a very nice light scent. Kind of a little florally, but not perfumey. Yeah, very nice. That feels good. Yay, that's an awesome sample. So far, so good. My goodness. And then, what is this? Palm to Palm Color Bee Nail Lacquer in the color, I don't know, it has a code MHKDC86, but that doesn't tell me what color it is really. I don't know, but it's a very, I don't know, fun kind of a color. It's like very similar to this. It's a very pretty color. I don't know if I will use it on my fingernails. I might use it on my toenails. But yeah, that's kind of fun. And a brush. This one is a Luxie. I don't know, it seems like it may say something, but I can't read it. Small contour brush. And look at the handle, how it has a little place for your finger. It feels very soft. Very nice. I don't do a lot of contouring, so I don't know if I will use that or not, but hey, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my fifth thing. Bronzed Rose, rose and coconut infused blush and bronzer. Gosh, I got nice stuff this box, I think. Or this bag. A rosy blush and bronzer duo. Take you into summer even if it's only in your dreams. Ooh, then there's a mirror on the bottom. That's nice. Ooh, very pretty. I really like the packaging. So a blush, it's by Pacifica. I love that it has a mirror on it because I could keep this in my purse and have a nice mirror. Of course, this sticks to it. The sticker, oh, there, it's coming off. Oh, yay, it came right off. First it wasn't, but coconut infused blush and bronzer. Yeah, very pretty. I'm liking that. I'm going to throw the box away. I'm going to keep it. How about that? I'm even going to throw the box away on this. Even if I don't end up keeping it, I think I'm going to paint my toenails this color though. And then, let's see. Dive in. Summer's in full swing. Let's soak it up with the dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. So the small contour brush is so good for blending out contouring and bronzing powders with compact bristles. It's also great for targeting smaller, tricky areas on your face like Cupid's bow. Plus, the pretty handle is ergonomic, so contouring is conquering your contour is a cinch. Woo. Oh, the Color Club nail polish in Palm to Palm. So it's the color Palm to Palm. Female-founded brand creates imaginative, one-of-a-kind colors in their New York-based manufacturing plant. Revamp your mani for summer with this beautiful teal shade. It's eye-catching, long-lasting, and like all Color Club polishes, it's cruelty-free. This one says, already a fan of Korean skincare products? You'll adore this K-Beauty brand's hand cream. Infused with jojoba seed oil, this rich, moisturizing hand cream softens and nourishes dry hands. The best part, it smells like a bouquet of fresh peonies. Oh, so that's what it smells like, peonies. That smells really good. The Bronzer Blush Duo award-winning Pacifica is a brand that nurtures a passion for natural beauty with vegan and cruelty-free products. These buildable blushes and bronzes made just for Ipsy will give you a sun-kissed look and rosy sheen in seconds. Plus, the compact has a handy mirror on the back. And the Twisted Sister, it says, enriched with deeply moisturizing coconut, almond, and avocado oils, this cream helps you reduce frizz and add volume and shine while defining the curls in your natural hair. The best part, it leaves your hair feeling totally touchable, not crunchy or crispy. So very nice. I am loving this box. Thank you, Ipsy. I am honestly going to use everything in here. This one is one that I probably won't use yet, and I might not use it for a little while, but I mean, it's nice to have a little brush. And then this color isn't exactly mine, but I kind of like it. I think I'm really going to do my toes in it. So yay, I'm excited. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you guys check it out. Ipsy is a subscription box. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't get this for free. I pay for it every month, and it's $10 a month, but you get a bag and 5 sample size products, which, you know, not all of them are even sample sizes in my opinion. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.